What's going on, mechanics? So today we're gonna make some very yummy vegan lasagna. I screwed the pooch on my first intro, so I had to do it all over. Yeah, that kind of sucks. But yeah, so we're making vegan lasagna. Shout out to Elizabeth, who's been in the comment section, and also Lisa Lewis, who also has been in the comment section real heavy. Shout out to you both. Elizabeth, I'm trying to do my best with cooking. I'm not a chef, but I make some good gosh darn food. So I hear, I'm not exactly sure. But anyhow, I got some good food going on. Today we're gonna make some lasagna. The lasagna is off the chain. It's actually already done. I tasted it, I tried it again. It's amazing. This is the way that I make it. You can make it however you wanna make it, mix and match. Take some of my recipe, use something else. Most of my seasons I normally eyeball. That's just the way I do it. I suggest you do the same thing. You gotta learn how to visualize, and I'm like, okay, that's just quite enough right there. Nah, I'm just talking too much. If you're new here, make sure you slap that subscribe button. Help me get to 10K by May. Nah, not May. At least June. Let's do it. It's by the summer. I need to have 10,000 subscribers. You gonna be a part of that? 10,000 is gonna be a huge giveaway. I mean, like huge, like an epic giveaway. I don't know why I'm saying super huge. Maybe like $250. Whole Foods gift card or something like that. I might let you guys decide. But for all you guys that been rocking with me, I appreciate it. I appreciate that you're still here, and I appreciate that you're watching. Enough of me chit-chatting. Let's get to the food. So we got one onion chopped. These are some of the ingredients we use. Beyond Meat crumbles, 2 bags. Got some marinara. I picked this up at Aldi. Some oven ready lasagna from Food Lion. Like, this is a real bargain. Also, I have some of the cheeses. Got some cheese there. The new Daiya. This is some good stuff. We're gonna get going. Gonna heat this pan up, medium heat. Get your onions cooking. Just a bit of oil. Totally optional for people that want to use light oil. A little mustache, onion, herb. Now that it's cooked down pretty good, we're going to add the garlic. And just a tad bit more oil. I'm using grapeseed oil. About a teaspoon of sea salt. Tablespoon of sea salt. As soon as that mixture is done, you kind of want your garlic to be nice and soft. Should probably mince it up a bit more. Go ahead, put that on the side in. What I'm using. That's a pretty different color. This smells so good, guys. Just want to kind of break it up. I usually do it, I break it up in the bag normally. put about a half teaspoon of pepper in. Half tablespoon minced dash onion and herb. Like I said, you season it to your taste. That's kind of how I do it. Teaspoon of onion powder. Teaspoon of oregano. The meat should be nice and flavorful. Just want to cook this through nice and good. Now add some of the onion and herb to this. I'm sorry, onion and garlic. Want to get your pasta sauce going. Straight out the jar. Straight out the jar. You can actually make it just right out the jar like this. I want to cook it a bit so I can add a little more pizzazz to it. Gotta have your oregano. One teaspoon of oregano. Get a teaspoon of basil up in there. Can't forget your black pepper. Do about a half a teaspoon. Use the same one with the meat still on it. Add your onion and garlic. First layer is the noodles. Then we're going to do a nice helping of the meat. Garlic will cook down a bit more when it's in the oven, by the way, in case you guys are wondering. But that's the meat. Shoot. I know this looks like it's about to be crazy looking. It's actually going to be pretty damn good. Next is the sauce. Want a lot of sauce at a time. By the way, I got the oven ready lasagna noodles. Just layer it. So for this one, see, it doesn't quite fit, so I kind of break the end off. Next, Like I said, this broccoli is really soft. That's how I want it. This may seem weird, so you can put your spinach here, your ricotta, but the way we like it is with our little broccoli puree. Just like that. I'm telling you, like I said, this may look a little weird, a little off, but this is so good. I made it with spinach before. I made it like this. The broccoli is a little more hearty. Add a little cheese to it. This is cheddar. And this one is the pepperjack. Next is, whoops, just a little bit more sauce. And the final layer. See, the last bit of meat, it's kind of scarce. I'm gonna pick these out. I should have chopped the garlic a little bit more. So I'm gonna take the big ones out. I was kind of in a rush. And then now you pour your remaining sauce. Put this bad boy in the oven, 350 degrees, uncovered, and we're going to put a final layer of cheese on after the last 15 minutes. Look at that. So that's just about done now. All we're going to do is add the cheese to it, and that's it. Now that we have the cheese all melted, put the cheese on. You want to melt the cheese. You put it in the oven for about 15 minutes at 350 just to have the cheese melt down, and then you're done. You're good to go after that. So I kind of suck at plating it. Yeah, it sucks really bad, but there you go. That's what it looks like from the inside. I guarantee that this is absolutely phenomenally delicious. Don't forget to make you some garlic bread. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe.